Recently I found an old Nokia 1650 model. Today I am going to test down it. First removing the back cover, opening up the battery. Originally it came with 120 mAh BL5C battery. Opening up the front casing. There are 6 screws holding all the major components with its base frame. Opening up all the screws. Carefully taking out the motherboard. This is 1.8-inch screen securely attached with the motherboard. This is the keyboard. There are 2 LED lights for lighting up the keyboard. This is the battery connector. In these 2 places vital ICs are present. This is the display cable connector. That is the place where we placed SIM card. This is a socket. It contains 1 charging port, 1 data transferring port, 1 headphone jack. There is a tiny LED. It works as a flashlight. This is the vibrator. Removing the protecting casing of the screen. This is the earpiece. This is the reflector of the screen. Removing the display cable connector. Opening up the protecting case of the keyboard. There are the buttons of the keyboard. This is the loudspeaker compartment. This is the voice receiver. So that's for today. I'm going to reassemble all the things as they were. Last but not the least, if you have any type of suggestion or advice, you can write in the comment section below. I will definitely read and try to improve myself in my future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.